Today we're going to go check out the house because it's Balikbayan Box Day. I love Balikbayan Box Day. But I gotta say, I do not miss the 1 hour jeepney ride. It's only about 25 minutes by car, but it's an hour by jeep. It's kind of a pretty drive, but it's just really, really long. However, we may be moving back out to the house soon-ish for the same reason we built the house in the first place, to get out of paying rent. So we might be going back. We're in planning stages of that. Possibly next year we might buy a car because we won't be paying rent. So we could maybe move back to the house and buy a car. It's always a thought. But we're going to go see how the house looks, and we're here for a Balikbayan box. And don't pay attention to those cannons going off in the background. Kids are blowing stuff up. Hey, gotta have some fun, right? The entire house needs a good coat of paint, and the bathroom needs a little bit of repair, but we can handle that. Everything else is in pretty good shape. We've got a whole hedgerow of cilantro, because we had some that planted and it's just been growing.
Welcome to our house.
That little bamboo shelf needs to be replaced, and as you can see, everything needs a coat of paint. But yeah, we'll probably be coming back out here soon. We're going to take a look at our box and see what we have. And I miss my plates. Home is where the plates hang. First thing we have is a gift of some artwork.
What's it say? Hello?
Hello, Tito Tim and Tito Melanie.
Wow, thank you. That's
Because we
sweet.
did get a lot of stuff. The last box was a lot of books and stuffed toys from her room. So I don't know what this one is. We'll find out. Looks like going to be a lot of books.
Yay!
Something in an envelope. We'll open that later. This is for me. Sidewalk chalk.
Ah!
What's wrong with sidewalk chalk? Then we'll go out by the swimming pool, and you don't want to think they'll let me do that by the pool?
No, the guard will gonna.
These guards are no fun. Here, catch. It's frisbee.
Yay! It's for the beach.
Yeah. Or for separating your stems. So we don't do stems and seeds here, so I forgot. And packed inside, Cheetos.
Wow, Cheetos.
It's a brand I've never seen. Mexican
Cheetos.
street corn. Lunch is served.
There you go.
Yes, so.
More books. Yay!
For a minute.
Yay!
Here's a book about you. Stink.
Really? I am that stink?
The world's worst, stinkiest sneakers. Isn't that you?
No,
That's not me.
that's you. Uh-oh.
My shoes are brand new. And I even have new insoles for my brand new shoes.
Wow. More books.
These look like a lot of good books. Wow. We have to find somewhere good to donate all of these. This is a lot of good books.
Yes, that will goes to my high school.
Don't count on it. We'll have that fight later.
We will fight.
Yeah.
We will fight.
We'll see.
I think that's for you.
I think it's probably to clean your stinky sneakers.
Yay, more books for the high school
That's why it was so
and the
heavy.
province. Yeah,
Think that's why they
yeah.
refused to deliver it to the house.
I think. Wow.
We have some good snackages and some personal gifts they sent for us, which is always great. I still am just amazed that subscribers will send me a box. One of those pictures also says, "Enjoy your day in paradise." I have no idea where they got that line from. More snackages, including some Diet Coke and Pringles. Some good little art supplies, puzzles, games, frisbees, hygiene items, tons of books. This is just a great haul for the school. There's so much here they're going to have to name the school library after Melanie, because I'm afraid people at the school don't even know I exist. She gets all the thanks, which is fine.
Okay, you gonna climb that rope? Climb the rope for us.
I can't. How? Like that?
You're gonna have to hook it to something.
Thank you very much, Sir Sam, for all that stuff. This is the 4th box, and it is just amazing. It is unbelievable how much great stuff we've gotten. The kids appreciate all of it so much. And we're out of here. Hey, that color is awful pretty, though, isn't it?
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. There's only one cicad, so I'll walk.
Enjoy your day in paradise.